Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to delete all photos from Facebook. If you want to delete all photos from your Facebook account, so you just have to open your Facebook app and then tap on the menu option, and here just scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Here's that, just tap on it, then tap on settings, and here just scroll down and look for activity log. Here's that, just tap on it. And now you just have to look for your Facebook activity. Just tap on it. Then tap on manage posts. And here you have an option of filters. Here's that. Just tap on it. And then select categories. And now just select your post, photos and videos. Just tap on it. And now you will be able to see all of your posts, photos and videos in your profile. Just select them and then tap on trash. After tapping on Move to Trash, your all photos will be deleted from your account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.